Welcome to a new week and a new month. This is Light FX and my name is TVHM. Today we'll just go into market analysis for today and see what the opportunities the market has to offer. So I'm particularly looking into the US dollar index. The US dollar index seems to have rallied to a point where we can tell. We see from last month ended with a harami, a hanging man leading to a sell, and that's at a critical level of the low of 2019. That's the low of 2019, right? And then some good reactions around that area. And the last 2 months, price have failed to go above that level. So the US dollar index will be looking towards a sell. And we'll go to the daily time frame, and on the daily time frame, something remarkable has happened. We see that price has raided this aggregated level, and then that should see price beginning to sell. So final entry, fine entry will be say by 1 p.m. US session, thereabout, and then or 10 a.m. Nigerian time, that's WAT. We see that the market opened also with a bearish harami, and then this high seems to have been braided. So an entry is already set for the US dollar index. And where we be selling to, it's a great fall. It's expected to sell down first to this level here, to the low here, and then bounce off again and continue downwards. So it's a great sell and a great opportunity. Let's look at the next opportunity is the US dollar SGD, the Singaporean dollar. The US dollar XGD on the monthly time frame also, we can see from a yearly perspective on the US dollar XGD that the instrument have been tanking heavily, and then made a 32.6 retracement over a decade, a 38.2 retracement over a decade. If you check out the swing from this high to this low here, this is a 32.8 retracement for those of you who trade Fibonacci. And then this is a high created, all right, with a pause pattern, and then a raid has occurred, a movement back upward, and price is reacting with the open and closing prices around this region, and that will see price begin to sell back again. So we look at it from the monthly setup. We see that on the monthly setup, price has been reacting at this level very strongly. And then some months back, that was a harami. 3 months ago again, did another harami, and now price should see itself beginning to go down, So final entry on the daily time frame, we see that price have made a high, and currently this is a bullish candle. This is another. This is an inverted a shooting star, being the highest in the month. We expect that this candle is going to tank lower to form what we call an evening star. So this is a great opportunity to sell the USDX, right? And then on the 4 hours time frame, the market opened, and here we also have a bearish harami already in place, and then we want to see the market beginning to go down. So the USD GDX, all right, is expected to give us a very good sell. Take out a very good sell, and we should see price coming down all the way to this level, just like the USD card. So expected sell. This is a raid on this high, and we expect it to go further down. It's a great sell. It's a great opportunity for us. We're going to be selling these instruments throughout this year. It continues throughout this year. So get on board, get your swing trading set. If you don't have a trading account, please do let me know, and I will send you a link to get started, and you can as well copy our trades free. Thank you very much for joining Light FX. My name is TVHM, and do have a lovely week ahead. Goodbye.